see exactly 7 a.m. Oti ato 106.3 FM. Just some Jumadi. And Jamaica National Feminine, the sports minister at Chinkomo. So okay. Okay, sir, a Jordan Amoko presidency. Amuko Shia, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Towards AFCON 2022 next year, Yakopa. Ehono Mampenisi, oh, money your day. Last time, Modama Kumaso, but beyond AFCON, it was a World Cup, and you to me call near Kwa, you do semi final, yet Tigan and him. And in the senti. And him says he come on $25 million. How dear, as they say, system no more shikakra. In Yabotre, Sikana Wahana, baby, baby, was say, ya decision, not gonna tumpon. And to their $10 million in India. Namia Domenia, but $50 million, you know. A batch of Moncope, Odiamonji Jimbra. Monkwan Juma now, Diamonia, La Sula, La Mobenia, and Dayasudia. I will fall out from that. The question is, tournament now, at the end of the day, we need to cry in your benya. I spent $25 million. A lot of the commentaries are who say, my goodness, ABC, $25 million. I can't even go say Galamse Kuno. $25 million. Last time for Mokokla, you say, at the 25, there be a bomb. At the end of Kosi. I'm penny for Simunya, but say Ghana for a DNA. Sika Grambeka and Master T. A buoy for that does he a discount. I won't be painted, and won't be painted. And here come Momianka, and won't be painted. Here can near the bomb coco. And Sakana Mosaka Scano and bomb coco. Yamako Bonnetroka, no more Befianese, Jajemoso. Bonnetroka, but you cry in Michiamo when him was here. But I become Manson of the sports minister to Chinkomo, Nianti Chichimukakra, on that $25 million and him for cry. Yeah, the best is such a say him for players and a hino Mubina. Officials and also a preparation nuclear to say. Yeah, become once a minister be joining. Marin Fisser, before I make a break in American country. The BBS who are come jacket and also become once. Patron GRE, Commissioner General, Semenko Control. The VAT NHIL Get Fund levy registered businesses. The Patron Renasu, Munkotia returns in Munkotia. Actually, that the 30th of April, the last day. The Patron a Pahua. Yeah, no penalties are what one and one home. The VAT NHIL Get Fund levy any communication service tax returns, you know. The Patria no China. Because penalty, you know, 500 Ghana cedis. And aside the penalty, still, no, was where they won't try. There be a 10 Ghana cedi, a compounding, and that one at the Trian Temple. Communication service tax operators, no, the Momo late filing, a attracted penalty of 2,000 Ghana cedis. So, yeah, 2,000 Ghana cedis. And I face you, and no, so was so you didn't want to, there be a 500 Ghana cedis, and the whole train. It's in Patrofia that Mama did go to Yawati. And Kaibo, Commissioner General, Ghana Revenue Authority. And SM in Kaibo, maybe are now refuge. Abusiana no pena mi bisa simple question be me pacho yembo bo ho chiche ho nkomo eno ye kasa for Asaglemi housing project no e ka ho asem any project ahodo a aban bi ba no ya aban we bo se media ho nche a me se me ba ya media agidin o gidin ni di akohe. The question is who gidin ni di akohe e ye Ghana sika na ya project enti wo ba na be ye se me se me ba ba gimidin a sa na ye den. The question is simple, sa na ye den. And it's a over to us, now we are not yet. A simple question, are you bisa? I'm a panic for fish and one. Near started the letter Tamils by obey and your buyer no or Jano or Gokufone started here, media minya in Tino, Sana Yeding. But oh yeah, so Okobiano for Fefe, as some drink count, the Bibia would be a Bompire Magana, what? Assume Geno, I would DJ and say Assume Geno, ya be a war. Assume Geno, DJ, ya be a I bet to us, Assume Geno, be a Assume J, oh, we also didn't shoot to a yummy from a Finan Crofoka, as ever pay, Yamina didn't check Ghana, as ever. Nipa, what's ya? Ya can was some pada, I just will. Yan kata ajese wawu ene wudi ene echajaja ene wahanga me pacho me tiase ka me wasempa woni me ya kakra wudi ka na ya den project ahodo a ye jani sesem wo krom ha na ya den enti wo ba ya me majudin je wudi ajeneko ukwa ye be kai ni Westis kasa ni ya project near Jaho, sa. Community day schools, yeah. Former President Mahama started 246 penals to me see. Former President Mahama so me do when 200. The day we are 46, and now the coffee. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo waba. Green track, double track, gold track, white track. And check violet track e beka ho onabo adichu mechiawo se school so no motoaso and amusisi ya just track ya yeah by green yellow indigo esuso kayem kola ni nyina wo school and so some be so motoaso ni akaze we kra no Mahama initiative intino enunti animguasie ene ya tracker ya dekoi a track you community day a can say atomic you run about koshe kabenya de no fefefe eno krana lawyer Sarah Joasa fosi on nesi de ye bia yem fama mo ye tuaso a enka ene yem kola double track enkola no kra timi ko school ye say monsai kofie enim guase akwaba ye tuaso abandoned project. Where government initiative? Why must government B do it? Government B so buy ya troka yen dia oye. Troka yen and your teacher school so no simwuram simwuram completed school for fefe simwuram ya because I abandon the project. Abai for abai was on so the project. And the schools are dying. Schools now moving away. How many schools have you built the last 4 years? Show me. And then was so show me one single school block, dormitories, and I'm in the schools, existing schools. But you see, it is not just about the dormitories. Abba, I'm interested. Abba, Abba, or Sibi, I'm a panic for buy. Oh, what they? A school na Epic initiative obekon grass na de mekai onamana ze ya tro ho Epic initiative school block near dear kama. And at the end of the day yan kola no e da form school bi wo ho awurade Yesu akola da form anwem na otro ade anwem teacher ni blackboard no kra on science ni chalk or the bidie na tro blackboard no so. Na bidie on blackboard akola be dem na neba na akwala no na food da form anwea no watrem e form no de ne nsa atro na small abrade Yesu in this 21st century. In this 21st century, how can we do this? And the schools na mokwa wa brochire no sana ewo nkola no omotro wa anwea mu ana and they sat for BEC and so candidate is an improvement. My goodness, when the car say improvement, we are doing this to our case, the future generation. Of course, it is because Monkola need your mom form funda form and throw a form sa but an uncola yet your food form and throw a form book cry a nibi book ordinary book I bet from your nibi. You need to be a chrome. You to me draw curriculum. Now and what textbooks in my. Now that's not grat. In Tokom Bekone say you are rejecting Rasta for Watimota. And you know man no them man no them textbooks. Curriculum. You draw textbooks I can my. And no them from you are rejecting Rasta for you no man no them and the school is right and not then. But you are there. You know the challenges confronting you there. Teacher ni nsuo mu na ya hure enkwala na ekofi. Na ye bejira ma nsuo ahye. Da bia meka me say a model school, Flagstaff House Basic School. Flagstaff House Basic School. Is your mampani fichire pe. Kohye enkwala na mfutrom no mudi agro. And Kanya a dinner that's no Flagstaff House. It should have been a model school. What you say? Wait dear, it's a model school. Because of a dear that's all. Koshe Nkola and what 37 over 37 about before we do Flagstaff House. All right, Flagstaff House Basic School. A dear that's no. But Koshe in foot from Nkola ni diagro. This is how we treat our children in this country. And we expect to say, look. The way I get it, I'm going to say, only the hard way. The hard way, tough. Or Jimbonina, the Diani, I beg a penny. Into that, you'll be dear, so I just saw the Adrian Papa Jimbonina. Sir, because we're training the hard way. And you knew about no coffee at your bed, and I got that and foot room and in a full butu, church. Now, when you do a bigger position as a hair, baby, I'm poverty away. Obevianom afum sa because of how they were brought up in the education sector. Yes, we are doing this. When it comes to education, you have invested this, you have invested that. You have invested. Where is the evidence? Where is the evidence of that investment? Man, in the education sector, tell me. I am calling Gusu Gundiasi. I call it school teacher ni kwa ni yamse no owo kokano. Teacher ni kwa we kran eduani ko buabo mi o because ojira duase schools under trees me kan this for any guase akwaba. And we have evaluated all schools under trees and we have done the schools under and guase akwaba. You trumpeted it everywhere. Say Ghana for emboss mama because schools under trees. Troka na modi atrefie no opposition part 2. And also cry among come home boom and talk about division by heart. We need a responsible opposition. Division by heart, Mokra de Babam Swan from Tunche. And Omuya, your mom, Kofi, no. A brave rubber, the new patriotic party government. You are in power now. Education sector, and Muslim man, free as are controlling, and then please, with all due respect, please, in some bonnet, please, and about teaching the Waban education or Tiasia and Colano Gundiasi, Okoyom. That is it. That is the essence of leadership. And you treat our children like this. Near Bonsemama, obey your education minister there. What they he got nice speeches. He got on your Nimkasa and your Bobia, Unim Casa Bobia, Manin Casandi and Concolano. So now Colano and Colane bre or more bre. The children are suffering. That the from sa with some Colleco school, Netunyanati, I draw 0. And once in a dinner, a bonium shiano, education sector new, education sector new. Okoya. teacher ni ogina hoso wa wo hwa bobo so e hwe teacher ni issue kura nya recheche o kire ba de kura beda koti elsewhere teacher ni ogina enkola be school wa man shoulder and cha effect keke welcoming the children to the school environment na teacher ni sorry baby o cha de kon ra ho da bia ya tonjin obeda no atumi adwe ye kura kire enkola ya de da bia ya tonjin. I've been a teacher before and to me come in the maker. I've been a teacher before. I know what I've been there before. Clinically, Gabasu Mikobi, the teachers, I know the challenges in there. That means to and I invested. A Kiabuatua Yado, as soon green count.
And council question
Green the ocean as a Bibiakoi.
No, don't furniture and Quandi and Yakabia,
Yamene,
Yakabia, Yamene, man,
sir. Abusiana personal person, faster than my finish insurance. Finish insurance, papa. Open there, no any finish. Mention baby, call CBG as we stand with you, bank, papa. Cover the brazo, Omuguswa serve very excellently. CBG pen out to me be one account and serve two purposes, both savings and current. Asa, unyane baby. Vodafone together we can. Ya who are the technology be peso. Nya yen your mafoflo. Na bro bianti asyeso. Vodafone, I say together we can. Near the Ayari Senina Bequag Beve Heba Center. Yari ya Quancono, Radi Yesu, ye did them, Quag Beve Heba Center Wati, on Besau Yari, Ama Wato. Latest form, your partner for life. And Konya Papa, Amodia Ba, the Jasso Toby, Fessu Demo office baby, na relaxi, Jijitem, Nami, Ebeye. Latest form, your partner for life. I was your answer, I'm engaged, Mammy Coleman, said, no. They catch us a BBC wa kwam jakiti. Yensaka nana Kofi Awua. Aya kwam jakiti of farmer sihne. Yane ne chichen komo. Nana wa ultimate kasim dwen kan.
Asum dwen kan so asopa.
E ba cho bibia bokwa no pay.
Yame adom, yame kitaye.
Yo, ya do ba dia se. Enti enu ade ne clear course wa kwam jakiti.
Jim FM.
Edi kan na wa me ba cho be omo nti akwam jakiti da no. Akwam jakiti na wai.
E ba cho me da ma se anope ne makwanya amode amaye. Akomu jakiti wo esu jaman eti yeshe akomu ase akomu fie ase na yenkro no wudu akosombo a 90 miles to jakiti.
Yo ya do ba dia se ana nura dia na koso wo
yo anope metia ode no ho kwa fakoto asudwen kana no pay ene ye nana afrakoma asunjen kanu so anokai jakiti hine na nama fi otu ama the third asunjen kanu ena abrowatia ye hema abrowajemfa the third asunjen kanu asopa enwa ya tito ya wankradi empa eti ayemrachi be se 420 ene yenya call a free jakiti say police for abecha ahemfie ho nyina ahia eti wo twa ho hia saa no ena panyin no bowura ahemfie ho na ahemfie ho mbanira ho keke wo bo kokoko ena boy ba ku pue bai to pue bai na what you know the handcuff egu ne nsa eti wo hwe others one waka no wen to room first room wo bo wo de wona bo pro na ba no wabue wobuda nani wahwe ni wobue edana empasiwa no wobwadane mpa no nkonwa siwa wadane konwa then anthropology gidi come out into the other rooms there wobubu wo doors ni nyina na ya yefie no ache kakra because 1733 and ye free tebrefo eba be say jakiti nti uhwe years we a ayefie nanyi bubu dos ni nyina bubu mpa ewo ho ne ade nkonwa ena wo bo abusu afanyi dem ena wodan ne pa tutu nkonwa wo ho nyina no wo hu tuo baako ena wo fai ena nanaba enso sedan baako wo bu dan ne na wo gu ne handcuff ena wo ti wo nyina bezi ayefie nanim tese obi an sori wo jakiti eti wokwa no say aka one boy to wokọ be 100 meters obi di anim no kire eti wokọ kire no na wo fiti boy baako ono so wa ya ni ti rasta kaka na na yaw innocent boy and what in handcuff kun on the yiri kwa na wo board and yiri sorry the yiri sorry no and wo gu na na handcuff na some of the kind of say police is hey who cry was see we a land guard who cry hojo and what do you know share pickups no and pa Accra headquarters to call by offer friend near the NHS see us ya boy when you headquarters you could do none so or call baby kakra eti cause people about NHS so what your statement you could do one and another one train na lawyer ba ki yama a lawyer by 12 for the more control statement they are there na as enyasi for akoton asase bi wa oframase amu bi
Jim FM
na onipa no se oye adwuma jekitifo eba ho ebetwem wo ho ese ne niama enti enu nti ene awo kokochi awokotwa ahemfie na ho achi boys ne de wa headquarters tenra nyame adom ye fa owie statement no better say for something yet me belly boys na what we call jetiti na niama wa se wo fie ho de ese wani ese o kachre
na dia ne dia na mo say wo fie ho
empa what them what they was say ni nyina doors what the ayemfie de was say doors nyina even enye jetiti ho papa anka wo bowura nkonya dem wapa ohima ekonwa busapenye ekonwa chese nkonwa ho de wo miniwa de kwa na wo hwe but etuo no wonya wo busapenye dem registered etuo ahemfie kase de yetimi kase etuo a wo ho ya register ya register etuo but etuo de wo fa se etuo ne e de ba Accra
nana metiwase dia na ese eye nsasesem meboa
asasesem
na nipa no ye hwan na to asase na enti obo police fo amane o mutimi be yesa
ya fa ne se o ye nyina opijekiti but asase na da ho no jekiti bia but probia to jekiti so
na me ba o o si nipa no opijekiti oye hwan enti ono na ma police fo no efi headquarters by
ono no ma jekiti fo o ma police fo no fi headquarters by wan kwa kosomo wan kwa regional Koporidia straight from headquarters
akọ reporting case mo call headquarters na ya de a wa reporting case bi wo ho etiamo
ai doctor yehu wo so no eze sia di phone factory be ne yehu ni se enya ase hene ni letterhead ene wo docket ne so
enti enya ase hene ene tro letter ba headquarters
yes
amebacho enya ase hene zenka mo nyina mo ya ahemfo adentokwa mo ntem
entokwa bia ne yentem bet sesia no obia jetiti ansase so enti obia pese owurawura yan asase mu enti papa ikra ye invite ne ba himfie oso mba onenam no otu ayampia yi amanfo ewon ho ne ade yati ya invite no several times ya koshia of Fiesta Hotel ewa Accra ne di nkomo tese dia ye ka no ontie
nana me bachawo asase de entimi nda ho ma onkase wa asase we ye media eye den a krata na kire anyembia krata be na kire se asase no jakitifo dia
bipacho ye da nyame ase ye nananom a won afi mu kɔ no nyame adom wo ye papers nyina wo jakiti asase ho before the dam akosomo dam and after the dam ye wo documents na won asase no
enti enura mo call police headquarters mo de sa evidence ne koi se asase ne ye mo dia
na ye pese ye beli microphone no nti asase ne asase asem de ye nwuramu kura enti no wo sia de ne kire se ohene mra na abusuapanyin so mra enti enura no up and down no yetimi beli mofra no e ma wotimi call back
enti afi na mo betena se aka asem na nkasa na anyambia nura mokoye na enya asehene oba bi
wa ma ho na boys ni kire se sa boy na wo friend Kwaku JK ono e na ode ne car no to police for car mu beto ja ne car wa koso mo filling station and obey operation. Where operation you know, or do one or two in the car. The car is a pickup two in middle. Police back with him no driving straight to headquarters.
And the police want to do a badge kitty and
what I didn't change, but boys who bear nipa bear 8.
I know we'll put the you.
A two food arm.
Boys, you know what you want to wabble one day on Saka.
Yamia do one pound sanko be a go handcuff.
A dear Mufija Kitty bank right.
A bank right.
And Tiana pay mobile quack to us.
And I'll pay a quack to us.
Now we are sure Sasa Sepe and you be in few do Bonibia Kosu.
Be there. Take it in fear, dear. Cron, be beer. Kosu. And Kosu.
Oh, yeah, sure, pa. Because the police brought to me a babu dime them with their neighbor Mupe Bibio.
Be near the Quan, only Panaco report to say, Ebia and then you ever tear Sidia. And then you ever tear because as I said, some dear, yet there are no any papers and I can't. Now police for a damn potiness is a come on, Namubu and in fear door. Namu 80, give it to me a call. I fear be, I was say, Hosa.
Me bacho anyambia police for no buy no mukra warrant.
Was so the letter be by but on him san can letter. Eye da na juna wo. On him san can letter. Abusu apenyin san can letter be a.
Letter na chere saying.
E chere say wo hia na na man fi otu abended. And abusu apenyin ajiman.
Na me bacho letter no mo de ma hwan.
Ye ndi mo nipa ko di jai. But near Ochro statement, I who know her headquarters no cast what the letter be by.
Why not trust our statement, you know? Hello, Nana. Hello, Nana. I was saying, Nana Kufia, wa Homano, so I come Jakiti. Or from a saying and in the Chichinko body, a coso, I watch a kitty and run. No, as about 27 minutes after 7, watch on your higher, Dom 106.3 FM, just do some Jimmy, and also go so I would say, Medina Sempa, ABY, main conway, Nafe, Naposo, ABY, and I'll see your corner, but no room to say.
Oh, Bibia the Dean, Nasa, goes through the Swati Kakra.
And I say for 3 days now, Memuse.
So a woman, Mitchell, so me, I would do be, but what him say,
a chromoda, a chromoda,
listen for na Bomuji Jacon, baby uncle would draw to me say, a had a chiso, a so bedu on say, a chimota, old station honum.
Yeah, a chiso pa.
Aha, but say, listen for no. Eti udu honomo, and say, oh, Yini Panesia, we are Musia, na on intention, no sequence, and I will put in a hole. Wunyina ho nti minim se ne so ka Henry Cotter adwuma no
ya ka ho
ene so weke na jamanu bi nanka papa ifeso ye no wo amasama ya ate afasoi the one kata we nse da hu wo num papa ne asama ode aba the supreme supreme newspaper nim na wo hwe ho no mo a kwasi abantie na wo ho no se wo hwemfonyi ne dia ne ya bo no say Baneji ti abana basa na yam so ya chechire ane ya cheche ne nan na chese
ya hwe na nkasa
what FM baby
ya hwe no
ya boro no na yesi MC ya wo Gam West onimonyam for Clement ni Lamte Wilkinson
okay
ane yesi say obi ya pese baby a wo no ho no motie na MCs ne so kura de say ni omo ye na agenda no nya baako ya agendas
asemo
na gu wo so say mampani na de so omo nhwa kire na ode kokobo ata kire say wo wadwuma wonye ne yie bia no beyi wa firi wo de foforo aba eti obi a pese ya feeling the presence wo ho no say me so me baaye I came.
Oh yes, I was here some. I came, I saw, I conquered. No more ye. Eti yase papa no. Yeah.
Na no na assembly no when she mubi asiye. mpanimfo fa adwen na owie ye no no ankasa report no say eye ono ankasa ne decision say adwadifo no ati amasama kwa nwunyiro obeyi omo
and the DMC you know na onim so obeyi
o de anfa ne say yesin sa ka chi sin say wonye kora because eno so no etumi ma go slow na sote won eti abantie yi aboda ha yaboro no ye frɛ no Edmond Tetetewia waso no company for wa assembly no no ka kire MC said dabio MC wuntumi mfa wonko wutumi nka se adwadifo etemonte so koyi o mafiri wono mo ene ye say MC say attack
antibida monsheno
attack
monsheno but on ebiwai on say ade bi owo abo pese wo ya ahosia the other time near Kasafa the regional minister omeboa Greater Accra regional minister on so no ne dwumadie no obobia punum ene ne kasai ansana oye and MC wo be ye bibise ya stakeholders are involved men nya ne say to me no want muscle me bacho momra aha mu didwei enkoye me bom koko eda sei me ba be clear mu nyina nipa ye nipa na onsta but ufiti prekupe overnight hey attack mukotu omo no nyese eye dan ya resistance kakra beba enede pinche ne ba no ye kasienti ye ho ase de Henry Kote yi ebu a enyefe enyefe and also onya results
Henry Kote de ne de wo se wo be ma be adwen so be so yeti ana eni ye no nche ni ye o
because
aduma we no ye media no ye mu bi eni agi ato ye ho so say ye be support papa no mi say mi meti ha say no kwasi se wo bi e be fe ne se be yes an ena meti ha say eni wa betumi makase sa story no se wo bo modern na di wura ye ha say meti ha say minister be pam ya wo do ba e bi ebeti o ba tonto
dabi onto na the minister ye kokoko bobo bia punum MCs we share mo DC we share mo former MPs we share mo sitting MPs we DMBO assembly members we share mo DMBO
unim se da bia
wa akojom
ya na ye campaigning form but empanimfo no free ye mu na omokodi dibre no eti suban na wo de te form as say ne wo ye ne ha bia no se wo kromfo a
enwa na de ko
ye nyama wo minister tifi
enwa
wo ye still a wo ho no wo be wia saa e wo ho
na nka wo be den
ye ma NC ya krono na de ko ho no mo ne o ye discipline wo from kwasi say about 2 weeks ago na me ka me headmaster bia say mo hintete say
exactly na wo ka
wo be show mu no
o be transforming school no
that's right am school no private schools we na oni o mo na compete enti senifa sa no baby a wudi ni bedru bia no be ki change
transformational leader obe change
wudi ni bedru bia no oja mark e wo hono
pa
hwe obi te se papa ya no wo STC ofiri hono mo a na na akomi akọ hono ofani nuama donko hwe okọ hono mo impact onya ye kona ko hwe ofani nuama donko abakosemu efiri ni ministry ya we odi ye from the Keda bresu nyina tim se papa yi oyobi a
the brebi a the man bia no ojama
na na akomi akọ hono mo wo toa so eti ye wo mpanimfo ni bia ba bia ombeko bia no mujama ana obi so wo hono mo a one day jisa wo ba na wa be kan book wa say we so be fa ha bio eno ne ye problem no ti yemfa subampa no yemfa nhye yemma yemfa ba bia ye wo bia no yemma ne se wonya dibira abeda na di no ma ne hya asie mfiri ba bia wo bo no because enne ye de kakra ni ja no wantumi anwe so a ye de kase ni ja wa abese no
nya de obetumi ahwe dabi obese no obese no
eti yes MC your Gan West say wo be ya obi ya support no ama sama traffic ni bi wo eti be yi o mesi wo no mo but assembly mu na wo
exactly
yes say ye no kura say ono nko a de chi ye na wo ye say adwuma na if market women no kura be twere wo se wo so
mesi nya support ajele de on ye kase obi ye leader ya na nkrofo ntiase leader ne de otumi rally nkrofo mu di nachi mo ye de nka omo pemu no omo person be ye
because
that is a leader.
See, what can was some new explanation? I would be send you convince if I
that is it.
I was say, oh,
that is it. Oh, now I turn the team on say, oh, exactly. Exactly.
But I want to me and convincing if I know. Or Becca was say, Ghana, yet,
or bad resisting, or bad resisting.
Yes, he can't share your man. Eti yanshe no na kwasi supreme de bonkrata na asumu wonsa ye ka homeopathy ya wo Ghana ha ye wo omu edi kan de baaye eno so no kwan a nipa afa so gi atum wo man Ghana mu no eduro bi e be ka show say wo side effect na emumomu o yes a homeopathy ne de unim yese ye hwe yade no sune ne ban na ade a ye de sha no eno so betimi asi ano kwa no tinye nnuro bia na ye twe agu nipa dabi unim obani chematin ko si pani a woda no ena nei research no yese waya ennuro mako dunwotwe ena Food and Drugs Authority for se wade atum C4 mfa mradwa so no mfa meboa ema homeopathy ayare hwe no dunwotwe 18
bekoye
eti chese say Food and Drugs Authority mpanimfo se wo hwehwe mu no ne ye wo hu ni se adurei ene ne mpanimfo cho ye se ye de kakaka ekọ ye de kakotodwe ekọ no o ma hwehwe mu se edimu ekoye eti ebresem no bejiri se nuro ni din ne ye ka hu
we su ye ye diem
ye ne aye diem C4C de na chese uni baby a wo nu mu firi na ena me fase ekọ Ghanaian Times nkwasi
great
Edia na ebeni fetima asensemone no eya doso we yekum we
eya doso
wahu ena yemfa the Ghanaian Times kata famiensa ni edi kan ya kwasi yebeka oni oba bi atwempena oba no ho eden a waboda kwasi nya serious question to answer
oh
it's a question now
what's it
oni oba bi atwempena no ho eden a waboda
oh ebia na you know amanye but
oh ba brother de anya brother de anya
ebia na and so they come where ya pa
because when you say ofa obi te say me ne ayo anam ka say me bo no
oh and you benom no I did now obetete no
e sometimes who come akwasi o so hwe nipa no a because me ne ayo say ya ada bi am bo no
na dey
I can you di kan me bo na ayo yiti
na you Madam,
no better there version my any sense.
Obetia ne say.
Ka version my really do we na.
I aso.
Ti you catch.
Oh chia. Na ya kasa. Oda now the same part they going to. We say me ni this so near kwa. Oh, I
moto.
Oh, David.
Na kwasi ba kunie.
Yeah.
Mary Kwe eye wo ba bi a mfimfini mantamu en wowo dodo na afre na oba ya na yeso oba ya ni kunu nya ntawantawa kakra te say ayuade ya make e bia maka cho say ayua kona ko yuti na do ti no ye no rasta ba men kola
exactly
enya no brown bia fa me twamanim ana ayu akoye ni ti ne brown en wo de ba ye we story na make ansa no ye na to ni ma wo because so wasi asem so
no
ani yeso oba ya ni kurunta wantawa kakra ba mu ntam no be ma ni di kan yi ka wo ba ya wam oba ya hwe ndi no si masum no abonza no o se me babo wangasa anu wo twen aba anu wo de bo oba ya pawo na oba ya si ayemienu na oba ya ewura dem no wo twen se kan anu wo twitwa be ma ni say kaw ti utim se oba ya ni hu se me mabufuo no ekọ high
ani aba ni wabufuo
kwasi eti aprosifo wo mfimfini mantem
no ebi wa me ba o ama wari anase emprache
ya dabi o we no enye mprache o woyi ene wokunu woyire ene wokunu
ano timi twese kan woni kunu so sa
kwasi woni ni fati ya study no because obi o ho no mo a ebi a wo yoba so ne ho den
ena na bufuo ano so
ena na bufuo so ano ehye esa wadi kasi ne sotoro ana obi sa awo na ase bo na mebebo wo no wotwe aba na so wode bo no na oba ya ewura dem no wotwe sekan wo hu na che se oba ya twe sekan ne yeso bi antimi anso ano eti DSP are no pon ene mpanimfo e wo mfimfini mantem se omokọ hospital wo no ma ka che omo se oba ya na etwitwa ne kunu sa na omo yamhye omo
manje ndi
yeso wo biebie no se ne kon ho a wo de sekan ni twa sa na ne kon ne ho abie ne nsa ho a se wo do nsa ade ne
kwa hunde na nza go kunu preku
wo kunu nti abufuo kuro fa ye de your friend Bufisho.
Said then ya there be
near the one cat and the buyer sent one tower bar one tem.
Tawantawa keke. Na dia
na bema no na church de kane. Won ne wom no. Sanka bema no ho adende anka atro sa atwa de kane. Ko de se kane ba no wa so na chim ne nsa no wade. Ba oba no so hwe no so hwe ho.
Opa.
Eti we di for me no. Why any pinso. Ena foforo so ni kwasi. Wonsa me say krata family ensa na yenyina ho. Foforo so ni na we so asefin sensa. Obema bi adi mfie aduasa baako. Ya wo no so nkran ya se efra bro no bi akuma. Mente sa bro no da. Akuma wo hu wateda.
Nkran ha.
Yes nkran ya.
Akuma na we.
Wo hwe be wo Kaneshi area ho because asem no wo Kaneshi district court. Ono mo de call ya akuma. Na yes ho abantie na wadi 31 years no me fentema nya me hofo ni bi. Woni oba wo onde ye ne mpena. Ya oba no tonton kwaduru ni anka sa ne ma ni bi. Babu sumi nie no ka kire oba ne se ya ba be me ya wunu se wo yira e mane hawo se bibi to akwala na e mane hawo ne be nya sika e no oba ne bi sa ne se asemu a wo kan kire mu ya so kan yo so de nyabotre na akwada no so wo yira nko ade sika bebe fie eti oba ne nim sa agro Prince Akwe asem na American yesi dodo na afa ni Jew eti Jew dama yesi wakoye sa occultism for eti oka asem no ne busumi pepe oba no ada ahomache wote nani na akwala ne na ne nchen
we amba
ene obi sa efi ofo ni say me bai adan ene omu se owukunu e de na fa kire ha kwasi wo chinchini kofa be ma na oni nkwan fa asukun akwada no ya so okoko gina apo ho ene wo kanchi wi ene wo chu wo hwim akwada ni sei won se wo chu ade ato atwena ya so wo chu no nsuo ni mfimfini baabi ene wo gya akwada no to ye wakuno sio na fa akwada no wakuno
wa tu akwada na to nsuo
wa tu akwada na to nsuo wakuno
just like that because of the fiscal
Iyeradi and wo ba ni sie bo so me nkura kwantrio
adabi eye ne ba papa no so eye ne ba
but eye mpna twe muti fie ba ko dada ba ko mu and wo ba ni se sa sika we die wonni and wo call Kaneshi police station
no report
eti Kaneshi apresifo na akwachi abantie no ama apresifo ene sergeant Apawe Achana wode atwedwa se oba no a ode asem be se friend Rosemond Ejare Rosemond ena de asem no ba ye se the boy ya wone ne tie akwada keto o ma wo no wo se obenye skanti o na kwotu
akwala na de fie sai
akwala ni fie kura de o ma
famba na be ma wutumi
eti samoni a be ma no edie
amafo wa kukuduro bi ba
o we ye friend akukuduro bone because ade na wo ye no wo dwe ho a enti ase anim wudi sema nkasa eti kwan ya afeso ofa so nyeska ne se me kum me ba na yemra graphic mu okunni ene ye ma me ni o Cecilia Abnapa woni nie sanitation minister anti waduma di ase eni kote ya wie enkan ha de ende e wo ya wie na Emmanuel Boni ene tro ede ba ye wase sanitation minister ene asoya wonu mu ochefa ewo ahonie mu ene enkran mantem mase mpanimfo a wasambri ka ho zoom line ka ho wonyina ka bom no wa musi sesei keeping Ghana clean kwasi name shame sanction
I know
What's no? Nadia, you do your camera. What's if I become
as a name shame sanction?
Name shame sanction.
I know.
Papi so was in the urban no. Eti say wo a wo beto ball egu nsuom. Ya chewa. E dey kwasi asempani near the camera na si.
Near shame.
Near twa.
Ya sanction.
Ya. Near the one graphic mu. Obi topa.
We
am do be graphic mu. Nti ya do be graphic mu a name shame sanction.
Ya samo.
Ni ewo mu no. Eti ante so de a wo ne mpanimfo akambo mu a omode eba eno no. Na mampani na nado say efri sabri ko no mu amutinsuo so na mu tugadanse ni nyina ane amagada no a momfa nko na momu a wo betena ho ama sojafo a wasoma wo no abeto wo no yɛse ne yɛdi ani na ɛyɛ wɔ asogyafoɔ ne ate wagum wo sɛ ɔmo nkɔ wei deɛ ɛyɛ operation water
yeah
nsuo so nko ana kwasi yɛse ɔmo nkɔ
in fact asɛm we gojo for John Bachabra and no the baby kyerɛ me about sadie we na ya ka ai nsuo so deɛ no asrafo ne yɛse ɔmo nkɔ nsuo so
nsuo so na ye wɔde machine yɛse nsuo so
yɛ mpam obia
yɛnche no machine no so wɔn mu ɛmfa machine no because
amon twagya ntuma na
so mutim twagya twum ɛno na medwene ho a mente ase no sa machines ni yɛde ba assemblies ni ntumi nyusu mfa nya adwuma
na bi yɛnsɛ
ɛnya sa ɔmo nam kwan so no ɔmo de ba bi ɛbɛ divert ntia if not enka the proper ayi ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ ne sɛ yɛmfa mmra ni yɛn distribute ma the various district assemblies no mo fa nya adwuma because akwan a yɛyɛ sɛ obi kura pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma bi no yɛ excavator obetimi akɔ high
yeah obetimi akɔ rent na
wo dia assembly ne obetimi akɔ high na wa kwasi ba ku bi video bi a me hwɛ be na nsa ne na obi excavator jadem tatatata ye che no
jadem that no mo ye ndia sebi na nyanse
eno dia wo se o mu jai eti na wunya graphics so dia wo de ababi anope
ebi like ma me for the chronicle FM
okay
wo hwɛ chronicle a hwemfonyi na da chronicle anim no so ho but your mommy we wunim no
attack dogs kwasi there are some stories and there are some headlines no yes me no but kwasi me say ocho headlines say ya ade bi wo hono mo a me journalism adwuma na me ye no ochra me nka manonka ida say me ankasa me de say anasa me nka kora
eno tira me fast story ni say
can you say dogs
as a invented commerce. I'm saying for the Chronicle newspaper. In fact, the former chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mama Charlotte say, on His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ne gyina ho. And a banner headline here: NDC attack dogs descend on Charlotte for visiting Jubilee House. O say,
yeah, me. I don't know. Say, say, which I better and say, ye petuma. Oh, ye penny, oh, de a very catchy.
Attack dogs.
I mean, DMX, or the dogs Nina, or the dogs Nina, going to know where we are.
No, but in the first place, I mean, say, no presser NDC for descending on Mammy Charlotte say, I didn't know descending on her for dang, so why you dang. So I go to Jubilee House.
Is your own cup of tea?
I go see your man Penny.
Cup of tea?
Because of that, you descend on her. Say, where you Kuba family delegation. I'm going to man Penny say, obey, you know, Charlotte say, come
sir, maybe they don't know, say, woman no related to Kuba.
Exactly.
Ebia or Munim. It is a Nipan Huna. Or Bedje say, Anna, Kwasi, a toda, no wouldn't masembi. Wouldn't nipa bi na say issue bi ba na wo sorry e firi direct there because we politicians there don't go there
hey na politicians
parliament
o be kwa politician
omo be dina ko kasa bra
mama break
which can see baba na omo ko no mo sa
de aduane mu
cafeteria ho akora na omo didi
me say ABY
enti wo supporter no a wo tie akire ya na wo be die kora wunnie one city kure bi na bottom no so wo to data wo do sika kakra ne to data na wo so support to say nipa no eti wo di be di atam de come na si hu a you just calling yourself
me say 2012 election me hu ade bi two general secretaries of two political parties amoti holiday in na omo no mansa together radio station be free ba ko di kai otete bob akwa ye fresh second one omo nyina ti wo ono so fire na omo ye banta na omo ti worrensa
na wakwa achiri kura
omo ti worrensa
nya memfa ne kransie Sir John wu ye no general secretary of NDC amanyoku asem o ken say se ne maami o se ne busuani bi wu ye no Sir John be di be 1 week was e kwa nkwada wo
dabi fie
enti wo me eya ye ne a ye gina akira a ye kontokwa ne ho ye
mbo soja o kontokwa ahia ne ye de amawo bentu a ye de mawo a wo koto abanti magi cube a ye de mawo enchini a ye de mawo se fa ko gu aduane mu nti o kontokwa
last week me wie show na obi dimirika de mfifie ti no wa ban se me magi we mra we ye say na me say wana soma wo ɛna obo nifa kro di na mehwɛ ne ho fifire ani moto gwajira bia moto gwajira bia ɔhan ya wɔde ba ya wɔno ba begina makoa ma obi na me san sɛ na nifa kro no onim sɛ wo gina ha
ɔba kra wante ne ho nka
wɔse me mmra na me magie yi ne mmra
na nka wɔsɛ wo tɔhye ɔma no awurade yesu
na mka kyɛ ne sɛ frɛ producers na wo hwɛ fifire ɛte no saa papa no adi mirika sɛ wo bɛko ama no ɔne ne mada na
de motorbike car bi wrɛ wa nka gbawu free
kwasi me kɔ
abi wa asomdwe nka mo a asomdwe nka abusia asɛm o yɛda ho no wote fie na wokontɔkwahunu ɛna me de me party me koma wei ntɔkwahunu na wakɔ because about to do so ye ma bentua oso mu na he ene mesapa krasini bentua na wonya bi da ye de ama akoto aba akoto nchene ye de ma o nchene akoto aba 4 years di nchene ne sa ana kroma ye hye no abusa faso jeka mama kwaba fire lady ani the maestro
good morning
unia me ase na siri ye wo wafunu bisa no
asem na atom asem na atom me ba no mo bonchenku achi na arahu a wo mu die nyina ne se wo makasa achiche wo mo re enkrata asem no ankoyi amomo fasien edi wo munya kese pa but am mo ya aye ayi wom ya kwadare mu kese pa pe analysis bi ana oye ana metenchen ana meeting
waye mo sho aye ana
meeting
we analysis nyina achi na jadi do kasi dia make answer no pa me ba meeting na motivation kama kuma pa
oh really
sebe amanfo nyae kosi asempa na ekono
yes
na chi asem eni shubi
oh yes
woni na ye adwuma
oh ni potisa
ono obesere
dabi akoma pamu no
ade a ehu pa
ewo ho pa
papa
serious
enti ene wo kan no kama kuma
oh menim se wutie me kan na ayo mame tamsa fire lady ya tikei na fire lady na go chane ho amse maestro fire lady
ya no sire kwa
but if you have Christ
no but on say
no allow them me see no mo bre
but on say
enable omo ka wachi asem no mo bre me there I've experienced a lot of this it's here enyame one
yes on say me the late former president Jerry John Rawlings me penade baako otan obemu hu se wunua me mpawasem me ne wo mbesere no abaye me mpawasem enie obemu hu but se kwabrane maestro ade me ne wa ade me ne wa me me ne wa
na jina we chibisa no me wuni star me nya madamfo me ne ahia form oh no yes me ande bia me ne ahia form even bible cracker say who as a proper financial freedom wo hia mu a bone enti me metna asase so me fa hia ni adam enti aska form kwa na
wo hia ni cross ya beka ho aseme ya pa
and do baby a hormati me I mean school fees ground to any
wonia on sha kokko en hwa jamo a wo hwa she wonnam hosa na so so ya bebe te dia dua fees beka ho asem
and jealous school you
basa ya she e mo ta pia gumni enko am say I do sports page 1 ya de bro